Hello, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who actually just watched my Cosmo box December 2001 Christmas unboxing, you probably know that I am doing it on the same day because I'm wearing my Star Wars shirt. But yeah, so if you have watched it, thank you and welcome back. So in this video, I want to unbox the Trendmood Black Friday mystery box. So I've only ever bought another Trendmood box, and that was the First Aid Beauty. And the reason why I bought the First Aid Beauty was because it's actually worth it. What I really wanted from that box was the KP bump eraser, because I do have a bit of KP. I've been using it. I think it has helped me a bit. I wouldn't say completely has helped me, but it was worth it, because the KP bump eraser, the size that I wanted, in Australia they're selling it for $48 and it's sold out in Mecca. And if I was to order it in the UK, I have to pay shipping, it would be $54. Whereas if I bought the First Aid Beauty kit from Trendmood, and they had a pack, and it was I think $39 and plus $20 shipping, so I only paid $72 Australian. So I got 5 products from First Aid and it was worth over $200. So it's definitely worth it. Then I saw volume 13. I was able to get it, but then I decided not to get it because some of the products in there I was not really fond of. And I didn't really like that glitter chrome thing that was sold out, so I skipped that one on purpose. That one was actually available for a few days. I did really want the volume 12. Just as I was filming this, the app actually prompted and said the volume 12 was available. When I went to pay, it said sold out, so I think it was available, but I didn't pay fast and I was sold out. However, I managed to get the Trendmood mystery box for Black Friday 2021. And it just got delivered today, so it took about a bit more than 2 weeks. So I have been watching other people's unboxing, and everyone, I think it depends on each country, everyone's been giving different things. But I know there are a few brands are repeated in here. However, the brands are not the same products. And it seems like there is one particular product that is in every single box, but that product is good, which is good to have in every single box. So what I'll do, I'll open this for you guys. Let's see. So I have cut the sticker tape. I've opened already. Oh, actually I didn't cut it properly, did I? Okay, let me just open this for you guys. Open. So this is what it looks like. Whoopsie. So I did watch Glow With Me, the channel Glow With Me's unboxing of this. I think she received this yesterday as well. I was just chatting to her on her videos. And from the looks of it, I think I've got exactly the same products as what she's got, which I'm very happy with, because as I was watching her video, I was praying, please give me the same box as she did. So I'm thinking maybe the boxes are by countries, and because this is shipped from the USA to Australia, this is actually quite light. So I'm thinking they actually maybe chose the products to make it purposely lighter. That's just my thoughts. I'm just thinking out loud, but not necessarily. So as you can see here, this looks very similar to Glow With Me if you follow her. So there is a bit of difference. So we both got the turquoise. So this is the nude brownish color. The turquoise by Juvius. I think the Dupas by Juvius, and it's eyeshadow palette. I am not planning to open it because after opening it is 24 months. I only got 24 months to use it, and this is 6 colors, and it is, I did Google this before, so I think it's worth about $24. I can't find it in Australia, but I think in the US it's about $24 converted into Australia. So Glow With Me had a sweet pink color, and I saw another girl had a nude color, but I think a lot of people actually had the same palette. So I think that every single box had a palette of a different color. So it is very different. I've never heard of the brand. It's very light. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might give this away. I might keep it. The reason why I'm giving this away because I have a lot of eyeshadow palette as well, but from looking at it, it looks really nice. So I might give this away, but I don't know to who. So I might give it to my boyfriend's sister again for Christmas. So I might give her this and the mascara. That's why I like buying boxes, as I mentioned in the previous videos, because there are a lot of things that you can actually gift for Christmas without going out to spend more money. Oh, so this one I'm definitely not gifting. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara, and this is a 10 mils. It's a full size, and I think this is worth about $47. This is heavy. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe give it to someone's birthday, but I'm giving this one for now, and I'll give her the Bella period, which is not that much price difference, to be honest. So very happy with that. So that's about 24. This is 47. Then this one, Glow. So this is from Glow Skin Beauty, and this is the anti-stress CBD drops, and this is 30 mils, and this is 125 US, which is equivalent to 178 Australian. So I bought this box for $55 USD plus shipping and everything. When I converted into Australian, I paid about $83 Australian, and this is worth 178 Australian. So already I have 178 Australian plus 47, so that's 117, 217. Ignore me. Yeah, but I did add a price up. I think the price will be the same as Glow with me as well. Trendmood beauty sponge. I'll use this. I have one or two only, and I do prefer sponge actually than hand or brush. Then I've got Elf Cosmetic. I've never used Elf before. I know they're a cheaper brand. They sell this at Kmart as well, but I've never used it. I think I've even used the makeup wipes once because I was urgently needing it. So this is a Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. So I guess I'm okay with using daily cleansers, not really creams and stuff, but it's with hyaluronic acid and ceramides, and this is the 110 mils, and I think this is worth $9. So it's very reasonably priced, but it's not my go-to product. But I've never used Elf before, but I'm happy to try it because I drown myself with toner and water and mist cleanser. I love it. Then there's another Elf product. So this is the toner. As I said, I don't mind, I drown myself in toner, so I need lots always. This is about $13 I think maybe, and this is 150 mils. I've never used it before. Again, this is with hyaluronic acid, aloe and rich hazel. So I've never used it, but I'll try. Again, not my go-to brand, but I'm open to trying everything. I'm guessing this brand shouldn't be that too bad because a lot of people do buy them, and I heard that people said that their brushes are pretty good as well. So yeah, so that's another one. Whoa, then this is the one that I say I really want this one. I've never tried this product, so I actually have a Murad product from my gifted purchase from Cult Beauty. I haven't used it yet, but this is a Murad, and this is a Retinol Youth Renewal Serum, and it's advanced line and wrinkle soothing, and it's 30 mils full size, and it's retailed for $140. So that's amazing. So I can open this and show you what it looks like. I'll show you the glow one as well, sorry. So this is the Murad. This is $140. That's so good. So $140. Then I've got the Glow Skin Beauty. This is 178 Australian. So 200, so yeah, 180, 280, 220. So together it's already 220. The Murad and the G Glow is already 220. So it's made out of a glass, a frosty glass, like this. Sorry. I've seen anti-stress stuff, but from Dr. Barbara Stern. Never tried it from this one before. And then we've got the Juvia's eyeshadow palette, and this is $22 Australian. So that's $242 Australian altogether already. This is $47 Australian. So that's 242, 282, $290 already. Am I calculating this wrong? Yes, I am calculating this wrong. Sorry guys, completely wrong. let me go again. This is $178. This is $140. I don't know how I did $220 from here, but this is not $220. This is $320. I'm so embarrassed. Sorry. $320. And here I am working in banking. $320, $342, and then $389, and then $400, and then we've got here, so it's about $420 ish. So it's about $420. I'm just assuming the sponge is free. So about $420 to $430 worth of products, and I paid $83 Australian, including shipping. I think that I got a really good deal. I'm really happy with this one. I'm actually happy I did not skip it because I was contemplating. I was watching a few unboxing, and not all the boxes I seen that I like. So volume 13, I really didn't like much. Then I looked at volume 12 and I'm like, I like volume 12, but it depends on who got it. I didn't like it either. So I'm hoping that if we have a volume 14, I'll like it, or if they have another mystery box, I would like to buy another one. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe if you have not watched it before. Let me know if you are from Australia and you also got Trendmood and you got something different. I know Glow With Me has got the same products as me, except for the eyeshadow palette. But if you haven't got the same products with us, please let me know what you've got. Or if you do make a video, please link your video and I would love to watch it as well. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.